personally, I've known Bonard for the past several years, and I had no doubt that this tour would be a success.
If you have any interest in to understand a little bit the market, you have to feel and you have to see it yourself. You can make an appointment by yourself, but this is much more efficient. We see like 4, 5, 6 properties in one day. No time to rest, so it's very effective.
I thought it was amazing. It was really good to see how all the different developments in Italy. So I met all the different people, from people of finance to the operators, the asset owners. So you really get to know and understand what different people are doing. You can really plan in terms of financially, in terms of, learn the OPEXs, you learn the build costs, learn about the different cities. Really useful. It gave me pretty much every insight there is about the PBSA market in Italy.
As Ask4, we are delighted to be a general partner for this tour. I would totally recommend investors and operators to take part to this kind of tours organized by Bonard. They are very well thought of, packed with information, straight to the point, and not a minute is lost.
It was a long trip, but it was amazing. I really want to thank you because we have really a clear vision of how the Italian market is now operating students. So I would promote this to other companies.